Welcome back. We are doing another segment called the Mystery Comic Loot. Long story short, I found this all beat up box outside my apartment, and in it 75 comics. Could there be a hidden gems worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars? We're unveiling each comic one by one to see if we hit a jackpot or just a bunch of duds. Let's go. First one, Now Comics 1989, The Green Hornet, number 1. Aww. DC Comics 1982, Batman, number 518.
Not bad.
Now Comics 1990, The Terminator, All My Features Pass, number 1. Aww. 1988, TMNT Adventures, number 1.